Rivigli di moquette navaie, numero mani appese come una pazziaridda. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning up a little.
I got a couple of hats for you. You left them in the office.
Oh, thanks.
So what's up, bro?
Not much, just cleaning a little bit.
Yeah?
Okay.
Hey, one of your viewers was asking if we got this running yet.
Oh, yeah,
Did you ever do a video on that?
Yeah, I did. The lifters were making noise, so I did lifters. Did all new spark plugs. Did a carburetor rebuild. I did intake manifold gaskets, valve cover gaskets.
Changed the oil too, didn't you?
I changed the oil.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I did a lot.
Start it up.
Okay, you got it. Start it up.
Go ahead. Pump it twice. It definitely runs. There you go.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing now?
I'm just cleaning up a little bit, but what I want to do with it, I want to put the MSD.
It could use it. I'm gonna be honest.
I got a gas tank from Dorman.
Right.
I got to install that, but I can't because I don't have a sump.
Oh, you put a sump. That's right.
I got to put a sump. But I got a new air filter I want to put on it. I got a rod with threads. I'm going to cut this to the right size and put a wing nut on it.
Why? The other one is different?
The other one's different.
Oh, yeah,
so it's different. So I'm going to make another one.
All right.
Okay. You want to hold
Yeah,
this
I'll
for me?
hold it for you. Go ahead. You know what you're doing?
I think so. Alright, let's see.
All right. I'll get you a marker. How are you going to put it in? You going to put a little Loctite?
Yeah, you know what? I am. That's what I'm going to do.
Just in case.
Just in case. That's exactly what I'm going to do.
So get it all running. You're probably going to pull the engine out anyway, right? Later on?
I want to pull the engine out, paint it. I want to make it look beautiful. The problem is, if any of you guys know where to find a 64 or 65 Barracuda, I need an interior for one. Can't find one for anything.
Like a parts car.
Parts car, yeah.
Yeah, 64 and 5 are the same, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
I think 66 has smaller seats with a console in the middle, right?
Yeah,
and 64 and 5 does not. They have...
it's like the inside of the 64 and a half.
Right, okay.
I'm going to put some Loctite. Done.
Here.
Now, this. Put it on. Just like so. With the wing nut. And I think we're beautiful. I think we're right on the money. Yep. We're good.
Beautiful. You did it.
And that's how you do it, baby.
Taking over the world.